Hi guys, welcome to the Code Camp World videos. Jordan here from Code Camp HQ, and today is the day you've all been waiting for, part 3 of Dragon Rider, where we get to put some awesome fireballs into our game. So let's get ourselves into Code Camp World and get started straight away. Now that we're back in Code Camp World, guys, we need to find our game so we can get them awesome fireballs in. So you can look at the dashboard here and see if your game's there. If you can't find it, just type in the name of your game. Mine's Dragon Rider, and there it is right there. Awesome, it'll load straight away, and there's my awesome level 1. So let's get these fireballs added in. Head to level 1 and click add actor. The name of it is going to be fireball, because it's going to be a fireball. Click add, and we have to add our animation. So we head over to the animation button, click that plus button and type in fireball. Here is our fireball actor right there. Click on use the sprite sheet. Now, just like the egg in the previous video, it's only got one frame, so we don't have to select it, and we can just shrink our collision box right the way down. Awesome. Now that we've set our collision box, we need to set up the fireball. So head over to the code section, and I'm going to add a new function, and that's going to be when this actor is created, and it's going to be set up. Awesome. We're going to click add, and the first thing we're going to head to is actor. And we're going to grab the set cam rotate when hit. We're going to set that to no. We're going to set it as a sensor, so set that to yes. And what we're also going to do is set the Y speed for our fireballs. So if we head over to actor, scroll right the way down till we see set Y speed, drag that over, and the speed is going to be -300. That's going to be nice and fast coming out of our dragon's mouth. Now that our fireballs all set up, let's get them created from our dragon's mouth. We head over to fireballs up here at the top, click on our dragon, into the code section, and we're going to add a new function. It's going to be every X seconds, and it's going to be called fireballs. Fireballs, they're going to be awesome. In every X seconds, we're going to make that 0.5. It's going to be a constant flame coming out of our dragon's mouth. I'm going to head to actor. I'm going to scroll right the way down to create an actor under the life cycle. Create an actor, drop it in, and we're going to create a new fireball. And we have our X coordinate and our Y coordinate box. And what's going to go in there is the position of our dragon. So scroll under actor, click on actor again. If we scroll down, we'll see position. We're going to get X position and put that in the X box. And we're going to get Y position and put it in the Y box. So when we launch our game now, our fireballs should be firing out of our dragon's mouth. It's going to be awesome. Let's test our game. How awesome does that look? The dragon is firing fireballs from his mouth, and when we move from left to right, we can actually see them moving left to right as well. It looks so awesome, but when we try and hit a bad guy with it, nothing's going to happen because we haven't coded them to do anything yet. Let's do that next so we can hit them dastardly bad guys with our fireballs. Now that we're back in Code Camp World, let's get them awesome fireballs to do some damage to them dastardly bad guys. So head over to where it says dragon up here at the top, and we're going to click on the fireball. Under the fireball, we're going to go into the code tab. We're going to add a new function. Click on the function, and the type is going to be when this actor hits another actor, and we're going to call it remove bad guy. Click add. When this actor hits, so when this fireball hits a bad guy, what we want to do is head to actor, scroll right the way down, and we're going to grab 2 removing actors. 1, 2. The first one is going to remove the fireball, this. The second one is going to remove the bad guy. So head to variables and grab a collided with. Drag that over into the second remove this. Let's test our game and see if when we hit one of them dastardly bad guys with our fireballs, they get removed from the screen. Let's see if I can hit one of these dastardly bad guys with these fireballs. Let's see if I can hit one. We'll go over this way. We'll go over that way. Almost. Awesome. They disappear as soon as we hit them. But what can make this game a little bit more awesome? Sound effects. Let's add some awesome sound effects so when the fireballs hit them dastardly bad guys, we are getting awesome explosion noise. Now that we're back in Code Camp World, we can put them sounds in. So head down to sounds, drag play sounds in, and we're going to choose a sound. You can choose whichever sound you like. I'm going to look for an explosion or a damage hit. This damage hit one I'll do right here. If you want to press play, you can hear it. Awesome. Or let's see what this explosion cluster sounds like. That sounds pretty cool. Or the short, soft one. I'm going to go with the short, soft one. I'm going to click use this sound. Awesome. Every time the fireball hits a bad guy, it's going to make that awesome sound. Let's test the game and see if it works. So let's see if I can hit one of them bad guys with my awesome fireballs. Yeah, that makes a super awesome explosion noise as soon as it hits the bad guy. Awesome work, guys. Well, there you have it, guys. Congratulations on completing all 3 parts of Dragon Rider. You now have a fully functional, awesome game that you can share and play with your friends and family at home. Join us next time where we'll be building some more awesome games. And remember, fireballs are awesome.